Musa, Ja, Rastafari.
Giving
Yeah, this is
thanks.
Mali Bunta, Malachi, Racine, from Orlando, Farmers Alliance, linking up at the Limitless retreat, and got in tune with my brothers, powerful pioneers from the East Coast, globally, I should say.
Ashe.
And the energy is basically it's self-reliance, um, community building. Health is the number one wealth in our whole movement. You know, it's like without health, we ain't going nowhere. And what I have to offer is love, care, kindness, compassion, a purposeful mission to bring my people from one state to the next, but first start with self. Because without that, you know, it's like we're just talking like an empty air, like an empty bag, you know? Marcus Garvey did say that we should not carry empty bags when our people need a whole continent. Sorry, but anyway. So how I came up with how I linked up the pioneers, the powerful pioneers, is because we all have a mission to increase the divine nature within our people. And that's just love, care, with an unconditional spot, you know, that's directly connected to our ancestors. Give thanks for Dr. Kang and Sister Isis and Brother Mike that kind of brought I here, you know, and the pioneers, one of I know my brother, what's my brother?
Brother Rojo.
Bravo makes a drink. What's the drink? I just learned the drink now. It's
Coquito.
Coquito, and a couple of other things that's very divine for your health. That you know, but the Coquito is an Irish malt base, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm from the Caribbean. I've tasted many Irish malt drinks. Nothing is the standard of this drink. It's creamy without the dairy. It has all the minerals in it that you need. I think Irish Moss gives you 92 minerals for the 103 or so that you have your body is, you know, that's out there in the universe. And the brother administer it with the same kit I can imagine that they put in it. So basically, we've been drinking Chiquito, which is a very expensive drink on the market, but it's expensive to the quality. And brother's been blessing us up the whole time. So yeah, it's just a nice drink. Man. Healthy.
Powerful.
Yeah. Give thanks though.
Ashe.
Yeah.
And there's any way that they can connect with you, and you can share with them what you do, like what you bring to the table,
Okay, yeah,
or
I'm a
products or
farmers
service.
alliance.
Okay.
I'm about a global farmers alliance. So everywhere I go, I look to plant, and that kind of generates the people that are around me that like to plant. So we basically stay within season. You know, we grow whatever is in season. I'm in Florida, so I left New York to come to Florida because New York, I think, is one season you get, and I needed 4 because, you know, optimum health, you got to control the food supply that you're putting in your system. You know, and yeah, and it's not as hard. We have a global arc that's facilitated in branches out in Jamaica, but it's a global energy that's trying to gather all of the resources when it's coming to pertaining to farming. So that's just basically it, man. We're the first part of the revolution. You know, without food, I mean, where you going with it? You know what I'm saying? And also knowing what's on your food. You check it because you don't know what's on your food when you get it from Mexico, California, you know, other places. You know, they gotta put something on it for you to be able to get it. You know, and to be able to consume it without it looking old. So we say just control all that. Keep the economy. It's also good for economics. You know, less money you can spend on their behalf works on our half. Okay, so
Powerful.
yeah, so basically Orlando, Florida. You can look us up. We also have Infinite Zion Farms is one of my affiliates that I know that's out there doing the work in urban farming. You know, areas and just basically change the whole environment, man. You know, I watch how a small garden can change a drug spot or drug infested spot into something different.
Powerful.
Yeah.
You have a website, social media, how people can connect with you?
Well, definitely. They can connect to me on Instagram at rossmalachi.com Or they can look. They can also check out some of the works through Infinite Zion Roots Farmers. Yeah, that's a part of the movement as well.
Powerful, powerful. We will be definitely bridging that gap. Powerful Pioneers, we have a farmers market community educators department. And definitely we need to bridge that gap because our health is our wealth and true wealth is health. Giving thanks for you, my brother.
Absolutely. I appreciate you too.
Peace and love, fam. Power.